Hey there, auto detailing enthusiasts. Welcome back to Success Auto Wash and Detail University. Today we have an exciting episode for those of you who are thinking about starting your own auto detailing business. We'll be covering the essential steps, and I've got a fantastic resource to share with you, Incfile.com. Stick around to find out how Incfile can make the process a breeze. Before we dive into the details, let's briefly talk about what it takes to start a successful auto detailing business. From honing your skills to choosing the right equipment, it's a journey that requires planning and dedication. Now, let's discuss a fantastic tool that can simplify the legal aspects of starting your business, Incfile.com. They specialize in helping entrepreneurs like you with the formation of your business. And the best part is, they offer a variety of services that can save you time and money. Let's jump onto the Incfile website and see how easy it is to get started. Head over to Incfile.com and click on Get Started. From there, you'll be prompted to choose your business entity type. Whether it's an LLC, S-Corp, or C-Corp, Incfile has you covered. As you can see, the interface is user-friendly. Simply follow the prompts, fill in your business information, and select any additional services you may need, such as an EIN or a customized operating agreement. Incfile takes care of the paperwork, leaving you more time to focus on your passion: auto detailing. Now I know what you're thinking. How much is this going to cost me? Incfile.com offers different packages at competitive prices, each tailored to suit your specific needs. Check out their website for the latest pricing and details. There are several advantages to using Incfile for your business formation. First and foremost, they provide expert customer support, ensuring that you're never alone on this journey. Additionally, Incfile offers lifetime company alerts to keep you informed about important deadlines and requirements. Starting your own auto detailing business is an exciting venture. And with the help of Incfile.com, you can navigate the legalities with ease. Remember, the key to success is a combination of passion, dedication, and the right resources. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check the description below for a special discount on Incfile's services. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and stay tuned for our next episode. Until then, happy detailing.